Challenges that I faced when I'm designing for virtual world, because virtual interface is different from other digital interfaces. First thing, I'll go with readability and legibility. When I'm designing for text in the virtual world, the first one I would like to go with as a challenge is readability and legibility. Starting from the font selection, sizing, spacing, scaling, and contrast. Because when it comes to text, the background matters the most. But in a virtual world, we can't expect the background to be the same. It can be changing from wherever that you'll be moving on, or where you are in the virtual world. So the text needs to change according to the environment. So the text should not face any readability issues in varied lighting conditions. Number 2 is adaptability. Text can be either interactive or animated or just being simple in the normal design environments. But when it comes to virtual world, text should be interactive and intuitive, so that other virtual elements should not be dominating the text inside. And the next one is aesthetics and branding. Even though it needs to be adaptable, maintaining the consistent typography is again a task, because the design elements needs to align with the virtual environments while enhancing the visual appeal. And the final one is experimenting with design and innovation. Exploring the 3D and spatial typography techniques to leverage the VR and AR capabilities. Apart from technical, UX and interactivity challenges, we also have extensive opportunities, such as creating immersive experiences, creative freedom towards your design, and personalization for the user. Fixing up these challenges in an innovative way will help you to create an impactful and memorable virtual experiences. Follow for more related videos.